Hello guys, this is Martin. Today I want to show you our cabinet LED driver how to work with hand wave double door control sensor switch. Look at the stage. There are one cabinet LED driver, a double door hand wave switch, and a strip LED light. Firstly, let me connect the LED driver first. Then let me connect the LED lights. And let me turn on the power. Please look the working principle. When the one door side is opened, the light is on. And when you close the door, the light will closed. And then next you can open the two doors as both together. The light will also on. And then you also can switch off the door in the same time. The light is also off. And if you also can check the next step, if you open the two doors together, you only shut down the one door one side, the light also will be off. So the application of the LED driver with this sensor system can use in the cabinet light, wardrobe light, and the kitchen light act. And the sensor is controllable within 8 cm. Now I think you already fully understand our product working principle. So if you see, it also is very convenient for your use in your project and the design. If you have any question and problem, please do not hesitate to connect me. In the future, I think we can make more cooperation. Thank you for your watching.